Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Robelia Dilog, 37 years old, married. I have two sons, ages 15 and 9 years old. I have one brother, and I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have experience in Singapore for 4 years and 1 year in Hong Kong. My main duties are cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, laundry, ironing, gardening, car washing, and take care of my employer.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I'm secure the baby and get the temperature if the baby is sick, and I call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, helpful, and cheerful.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for the future of my children and save money for them.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my mother, and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I call my family and friends, and also I always pray.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up at 5 a.m. and sleep at 10:30 p.m. in the night.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and also control my temper.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook a Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheel on the bus will round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and see you soon.